Hi, I'm Alana. Parents often ask me if I need to replace my child's car seat after a crash. Well, it's going to depend on the manufacturer and their policy. Some say replace the car seat no matter what kind of crash, whether it's severe or minor. Some manufacturers go by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's criteria for replacement after a minor crash. So, if your car had to be towed from the scene, or airbags opened up, or occupants were injured, or the door next to the car seat was hit, or you actually see damage to the car seat, go ahead and replace the car seat. Here at Diono, we have a crash exchange program, so if your insurance company will not reimburse you, give us a call and see if you qualify for a free replacement. I'm Alana Pinkerton. Safe travels and enjoy the journey.